Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Recently, I had a chance to tour the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. It was an awesome experience. Check it out. Hey guys, it's Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and I'm here at the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford. It is the day after Father's Day, and I want to say thank you. What an awesome mentor you have been. And of course, over the years, you've been a father to many people, many children, male and female, on the farm over the years. So
I just want to teach Mike everything that I knows, because I know my days are numbered. I'm gonna teach him and the boys, because they're gonna be the one that's gonna take this over, and we're gonna show you an easy way to get a T-post out, so I'm gonna let Mike have it.
So farming, he's definitely teaching me
the easy way.
How to do it the easy way. And a great thing about what Bob is doing is he's passing the knowledge down. So many of us die and leave here, and we take the knowledge with us. Grandma's pie recipe, for instance, you know, when they get out of here and you're thinking, man, I wish we could have wrote that down. I wish I would have known how she made that. So Bob's showing me another way to do it. And to pull out T-posts, we stake these T-posts in the ground in order to trellis our tomatoes. And for many years, I have not been using any type of tool to put these in and take these out. And so Bob just today introduced me to an awesome tool. It's really almost like cheating. I feel bad doing this because it makes it so easy. We're gonna remove these T-posts in just seconds, and I'm gonna show you how. Let me go back to one of the T-posts. It's in the ground. It's in this clay soil, and it's almost locked in like concrete. And it'll probably take me 5 minutes or so to take just one of these out. Let me go ahead and demonstrate. Come back here. And I mean, we pounded these in. You know, we gotta do that. We gotta do this. I mean, it's a workout, and that thing's in there. Elijah's gonna demonstrate. Elijah, show him how to do it.
The easy way.
The easy way.
It comes right out easy. You got it out.
Look at that. Amazing. 2 pumps, and we got it out. I can't believe how easy this is. In fact, it is so easy, I'm gonna show you my 11-year-old can do it. Hey, Evan, how old are you?
11.
You have just changed my life. Saved me so much time. It would take us probably an hour to do this whole row.
Yeah.
We did it in just seconds. The right tool for the right job.
If the job needs a good tool, and you got to have the right equipment, and we got it out here on this farm, we're gonna show them the easy way and the better way, and we're gonna do it the right way. So, see you later. Talk to Mike again, and we're gonna be in up.
All right, make sure to follow us. Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm at the Ford's Farm, getting it done. I'll see you in the next video. What an awesome time I had at the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. And thank you again for having me out, and look forward to working with you and your farm this year in 2023. All right, guys, I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I'll see you in the next video.